Hi, we've created a Harvest Toast playlist to highlight many of the notable places that we've spent on our trips across the United States. Harvest Hosts, in case you don't know, is a paid subscription available to RVers so that RVers can stay overnight at many businesses, like up to 2,000 businesses across the United States and Canada. Our channel is not monetized. What that means is that we do not receive any money from the commercials that you find on our videos, such as commercials for Progressive or Stuck Poop. You like that? We are not endorsing Harvest Host or any of the businesses that we visit. We do not provide any discounts for Harvest Host memberships. And we do not receive any remuneration from Harvest Hosts or the businesses that we have visited. The general public can actually go patronize these businesses and see the things that we've seen on our trips. The intent of our videos is only to identify many of the unique businesses that we have visited on our trips across the United States and even Canada. Thank you.